I'm going to unbox my Rapunzel toy. This one comes with her comb and Pascal. Now I remember the name. This is my first unboxing video. Here. Pass me the scissors.
Do you need help with that? Let me help you.
Let's see.
Let me help you.
Guys, I got it unboxed. I don't want to break the big box. Wow. Huh? So, this is Pascal, the green little one. And it's actually a clip.
Okay. And what else do you have in there?
Oh, she has her brush. Oh,
What's me?
Rapunzel.
Oh, Rapunzel.
Watch my magical hair glow. And I see the light. It's like the fog has lifted. And alas, I see the light. It's like the sky is
So you wanna?
I think I need the scissors.
Can you handle it?
Yeah.
Careful, okay?
I got Pascal out.
Put on the box.
I hope he won't go in.
Careful your fingers.
I didn't broke them. Oh, the brush. Now only Rapunzel. Oh my gosh. Her neck has some.
You need my help? Look at the back.
Got it out. So let's see about her. Oh my gosh.
Do you need to cut that? Do you need my help with that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try do it first.
Guys, I already got my Rapunzel doll out. My brother is here. And this is the brush. You can brush her hair. And her pet Pascal.
Okay. Oh, can put on her hair.
I don't know.
And then, what else do you have in there? Only those?
She has her pink one. These. I thought in the movie she didn't have shoes, but